Step into my throbbing heart where learning comes alive. Feel the pulse of nature thread beneath the microscope we tread. Explore the strength of cells and genes, discover what life means. Invest in biology where science fuels your dreams. Welcome to our soul, where every seed is reconciled. Dive into the great unknown, bring all of you won't be alone.
G'day everyone, my name's James Bester and welcome to my channel Bester Biology. Today we're going to talk about a key skill for your assessment tasks and final exams in VCE Biology, mastering short answer questions, or SAQs. Whether you're aiming for top marks or just trying to improve your biology knowledge, this video will help you nail these skills. Let's get started. Short answer questions are your chance to show off what you've learned in biology. You'll need to recall facts, explain complex concepts, and sometimes even analyze situations. This question format is extremely important for your assessment task, and in particular, the end of year exam. So how do you go about answering these questions? Let's break it down with a simple 4-step process. Step 1, identify the content words. These are the key words that tell you exactly what information should be in your answer. You'll want to underline them to make sure you've covered all the necessary details. Let's look at an example. Describe the purpose of CRISPR-Cas9 in bacteria. The content words here are CRISPR-Cas9 and bacteria. These tell you that your answer needs to focus on what CRISPR-Cas9 does and how it works in bacteria specifically. We are going to underline them in a particular colour. Step 2 is to identify the task words. These words tell you what kind of response is needed. Are you explaining, describing, comparing? Task words guide you how much detail you need to provide. Using our example, describe the purpose of CRISPR-Cas9 in bacteria. Here, describe is the task word. That means your answer should focus on giving a detailed explanation of how CRISPR-Cas9 works in bacteria. You're not just listing facts, you need to explain. We are going to underline it in a different colour. Now, step 3. Plan your answer on the number of marks available. This is super important. For every mark, you should aim to address a different point. Let's stick with our CRISPR-Cas9 question. Since it's worth 2 marks, you'll need to include at least 2 key points in your answer. For example, you might explain that CRISPR-Cas9 is a bacterial defense system, 1 mark, and that it helps protect against reinfections, 1 mark. We don't normally write this out, but when we're first starting, we can. Finally, step 4, write your answer. Once you've identified the content and task words and planned out what to say, it's time to write it all down. Keep your answer clear and concise, but be sure to include enough detail. Here's an example answer for our CRISPR-Cas9 question. CRISPR-Cas9 is a defense system in bacteria against viruses. It allows the bacteria to save a copy of invading the viral DNA and use this as a template to stop reinfections. That's a solid 2-mark answer. You've explained the key points while keeping it short and clear. And if a diagram or specific terms can enhance your answer, don't be afraid to use them. Quick recap. When tackling SAQs in VCE Biology, follow these 4 steps. Identify the content words to understand what to include. Identify the task words to know how to present your answer. Plan based on marks, making sure you address a key point for each mark. Write a clear, concise answer that covers all necessary details. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more biology content and study tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your biology studies.